Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the fact function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the fact function is pretty simple and its goal is to return the factorial of a number. In other words, it will return the number that is, for example, in this case 1, it's going to be 1 multiplied by 1. 2, it's going to be 2 multiplied by 1. For 3, it's going to be 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So this is the factorial. So this function is pretty simple and only contains one variable, and that variable is basically the number for which you want to have the factorial. So if you want to write down this function, how exactly is it going to work? So let's write it down right here. So we'll start with an equal sign, and then we can just write down our function. So in this case, it's going to be fact, and then we can open up our parentheses. And then we can enter the number 1, for example, right here. And just like that, it's going to be 1. So if we enter fact for 2, instead of 1, we enter 2. Well, it's going to be 2. If we enter it for 3, well, it's going to be 6. If we enter it for 4, it's going to be 24 because 24 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So if we enter it, for example, for a number like 100, as you can see, this is the answer that we have. So even if we enter it for something that is like 10, it's growing really exponentially. So this is how we use the fact function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below with all my courses. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.